Freemax Fireluke Mesh Sub-Ohm Tank. Oops, Sub-Ohm Tank. Stick around, my friends. This bad boy's on sale. $10. Stick around if you want. That's not bad looking, is it? I gotta admit that I wasn't really looking forward to getting this, but pleasantly surprised. It's well built, sturdy. I've dropped it several times already, and yeah, man, it's a pretty nice little tank, man, especially if you like sub-ohm tanks, because you don't like to build coils. This is great. $10.99 at healthcabin.net right now. I mean, get in there, guys. They're going fast. The coils are $11.24 for a 5-pack. That's almost unheard of. That doesn't happen often. Now, this is the first iteration of this, right? And I'm sure that's why it's so inexpensive and why the coils are so cheap too. Man, guys, I would get this, man, for $10.99 and $11.24 for a 5-pack of coils. I've been vaping on that coil for 2 weeks. Yeah, and it's still kicking. I mean, it's got to be close to its end, right? Anyways, let's go down. You know what? I don't even think we need to go down. I mean, what would be the point? There are a couple things I want to show you, which I think I can do right up here. Let's just go ahead and look at this first, shall we? It opens up like so. Now, one thing I did not like, and that is this. I don't mind these little things, it keeps the moisture out, right? But look at see, you can see that the O-rings are all cattywampus. And now they're going to be stuck like that because they just stuck it in there. I can understand if you don't like your job, but that shows a lack of self-respect for yourself, not your job, for yourself. If you don't like your job, you don't like your job. That doesn't mean you ruin. But anyways, that's not what we're here for. My bad. I don't need to get on my high horse. But I think that the world would run more smoothly. First of all, if I was in charge. Second of all, if people would do their work with the thought in their mind that they'll make it easier for the next person to come along. If you did your work right, and if the person before you did their work right, when you come along, it's not as difficult because they did their job right. So now you don't have to fix anything that they did, unless it was an accident. But most people aren't like that. They don't give a shit. Anyways, I'm done with that. And the coils. I gotta admit, well, I really like these coils. This one here is a 316L stainless steel 0.15 ohm. Okay, so that's the coil, that's the box, that's this, and that's that, and that's the things I like and dislike. Eek. Extra glass is always a bonus for me, because I break my glass almost every time. I gotta admit, I like the way it looks on here. It's not real tall. It's not real fat. It's not real stubby. You know, like you see these stubby ones nowadays with the rounded glass. I mean, the rounded glass don't bother me, but that just looks good. It just looks sharp, even on the blue. And the carbon fiber, I gotta admit, I like it, but you can't feel it. So it's like behind that glass, and it feels solid and it feels good, and all around it makes me feel like it's gonna last. And for me, that's a good thing. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up, and I'll be right back. The threads are like super duper smooth, man. I've been enjoying the ones that just a half a turn and pop off, but this just feels good. Something satisfying about nice threads. Even if you don't do any kind of mechanical work, there's something about nice threads that just makes a man feel good about life. Or a woman. I say man as in, human being, I think. Yep. Can hold 3. So smooth, so smooth. Satisfying. Let me show you another thing I like about it. I'm not yeah, let's see what else I like. Aha, look. The airflow control. I like the little stopper right there. You see it? Right there. I admit that I like that. Ooh, another thing I like is there's only 2 airflow holes. And so when I purge, it goes that way, and I got none coming back at me. Alright, man. Let's give it a check. Let's give it a zippity zap. Wait. Alright, man. Cool, not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, you guys, the Fireluke Mesh, sent over by healthcabin.net for the purpose of this review. They even sent me some coils. So, Cortana, thank you very much. You're a wonderful woman. This is Dan the Man signing out. You guys, $10.99 and $11.24 for a 5-pack of coils. It's a pretty damn good deal. Let's go out proper, like